Good morning. I am 3 minutes earlier today. As always, you can either fast forward if you're watching a recording or stay through our hellos. Good morning, Joey. Good morning, Maria. Good morning, Gina. Good morning, Anne. Good morning, Yanni. Good morning, Jana. All right, it is time for us to start, and we continue our exploration of radical happiness through loving kindness. Today, I want to touch on the benefits of the metta practice a bit. But before we go there, let's take a comfortable position. Good morning, Mary. And as always, take a few moments to settle, to acknowledge all the circumstances of your practice, starting with the external and then slowly zooming in on your inner world. Let your breath be soft and easy, very, very comfortable without any forcing. And invite your body to soften some from the inside out. Let your heart soften, your mind. Settle into easy breath. Maybe trace one breath from beginning to end, simply noticing how it flows in your body. So before we go into the loving kindness practice itself, let's talk a little bit about the benefits of this practice. The Buddha actually was very precise about what those benefits include. He said that the intimacy and caring that fill our hearts as the force of loving kindness develops will bring 11 particular advantages. You will sleep easily. You will wake easily. You will have pleasant dreams. People will love you. Celestial beings and animals will love you. Celestial beings will protect you. External dangers, poisons, weapons, and fire will not harm you. Your face will be radiant. Your mind will be serene. You will die unconfused, and you will be reborn in happy realms. So when you put it like this, who would not want to practice loving kindness, right? On a serious note, though, we often forget why we practice. And it's a good idea to make a list of those benefits, or at least the ones that are true for you. And once in a while, especially when practice gets tough and you don't want to do it anymore and find every possible excuse not to practice, you can just go to your list and remind yourself of the why behind your practice. In fact, people who do formal metta practice often memorize those 11 benefits that I just mentioned to you that Buddha listed, and they recite them to themselves regularly as a powerful reminder of their why. Reminding ourselves of the fruit of our intention and effort can bring a lot of faith, and that can sustain us through those inevitable times when it seems like our practice is completely useless, like we're getting nowhere. So why do it anyway? So today, as we practice loving kindness towards ourselves, let's delve into this why behind your practice. And let all the specific benefits of your particular practice come to you, so that after we're done here, you can go and make your own list of benefits. And of course, I'll post the ones that the Buddha listed for your reference. So once again, resettle, reconnect with your breath, with your body. Maybe place your hands on your heart and gently start repeating your loving kindness phrases. Yesterday we talked a little bit more about choosing your phrases, so I trust that you already know what they are. As always, I'll start with mine and then give you a little bit of space to practice yours. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I be happy, healthy, and at ease. May I know deep, natural peace. Continue repeating your loving kindness verse over and over again, and let it be the focal center of your practice, the focal point. And at the same time, as you recite this verse, let part of your attention check in with the benefits that you get from the practice. Your why, the reason why you wake up every day and come to these mindful morning practices. The reason that some of you set an alarm clock for this, take the time to do it. Why do you do this? What exactly are you getting from it? Gently reflect on that while reciting your loving kindness verse. I'm going to be silent for the next couple of minutes to give you space for your own experience. Now, if you have been able to come up with at least one benefit, or if you came up with many, choose one that is really, really important to you, your main why, and shift the focus now to that benefit. So you're still reciting the loving kindness verse, but really let this benefit resonate in your body. Notice how it makes you feel. Maybe bring your hands to your heart if they're not there already, and kind of seal that benefit into your heart so that it's always there for you. This is why I come here. This is what I'm getting. This is what makes me wake up and do this practice. And now take a nice inhale and exhale and finish your practice. Let it go. And I really encourage you to go ahead and literally write down those benefits that you came up with, your why behind your practice. You can write them down on a piece of paper that you put on your fridge or on the screen of your computer or on your phone, whatever is in your line of view all the time, so that whenever you forget, whenever you get lazy, whenever you get hopeless, that nothing helps, I still feel blah, you can quickly scan through this list, even if it's just one point, and remind yourself that this practice is powerful, that you are powerful, and that practice makes perfect. You just need to trust in the process. And your only job is to show up and do it over and over again. And then the magic will happen. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a beautiful day. And I will see you tomorrow. Ooh, and of course, if you are inspired to share your benefits or at least one of them, I would really love to see them. Thank you. Bye.